Hi ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. In this particular video I'll be showing you guys a platform that promised to pay us simply by performing social tasks on our social media platform. Okay, simply activity like liking, commenting and so on and so forth. Alright, so this is a free update. Like I said, we are not paying a dime, we are not here to spend any money, and we are here to perform tasks and make money. So I would advise each and every one of us to jump on it. Let us explore this particular platform together and see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. So all I have to do is to take you guys straight to my browser, because I've already gotten the link to this particular project from my upliner. So all I have to do is just to paste it right here in my browser and click on it. So as you guys can see, the name of this particular platform is jcrn.com. So hope you guys can see it right here. Sorry, let me take this out. jcrn.com. So once you follow the link, I'll be dropping the link to the platform in the description section and comment section of this video. So just have to tap on it, then it will bring you to a browser where you will see your interface like this. So when you come here, you are not going to see anything like Nigeria, but don't really panic. All you have to do is just tap on this particular place that I circle, choose any country of your choice. Let me just do that. I'll be selecting United Kingdom, so I will confirm. So all you have to do, just come here, choose any country of your choice, then put in your Nigerian number right here, 080070090, anything. Put your Nigerian number right here, or your African number, wherever you are from. Then put your password right here, confirm password right here, then click on confirm and you are good to go. So let me quickly do that. Let's proceed. Okay, alright, so I'm done putting in my detail. The next thing is just to hit on this confirm button so we can proceed. I'll tap the confirm button and see what's up. Let's confirm and get inside the project. Okay, they said the mobile number has been registered. Probably there's an error. Okay, they have already tried it earlier and it didn't go through, so they have already picked it in the first place. So they have already brought me to my interface. It's as simple as that. So just follow this step. Don't mind the country, just put in your number, your password, and you are good to go. So click on confirm. Once you enter the dashboard, this is the interface of the platform. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to come to this particular country logo right here and change the language to English. Okay, so tap on it. You guys can see it's in Espanol. Change it to English so that everything will be in English format. So this is how your dashboard will look like. If you click your wallet, you will see that you don't have anything right here. You just registered, so everything is 00 right here. So this is how to perform your daily task. You come to this particular one that says earnings, today's earnings. You tap on it, tap on today's earnings. Let me click on it. Okay, so if you tap on today's earnings, you will see social media platform right here. So I'll be going with TikTok for the sake of this tutorial. So I'll click on TikTok. Then you scroll down to this last one that says VIP 0, because we are starting from VIP 0. So tap on do task right here, VIP 0, tap on do task. Then you wait for them to bring up the task, so you guys can see the task you can be able to do, and we are entitled to perform 5 tasks every day. So let me click on this first one. They say I should like the comments or the content I mean to say, and each task right here will give me $2, right? $2. So scroll up a bit, you can see the content right here. This is the link. Tap on it, it will take you to TikTok. All right, so first of all, you have to claim the task. Tap on claim task. Alright, you can see claim successful. Then scroll up a bit and click on this one that says start task. Okay, tap on start task. Then it will take you to your TikTok. Then you like the comment, come back and proceed. So let's wait for them to bring us to our TikTok interface where we are going to perform it. Okay, the content is coming up. So all I have to do is just to like this particular content. All right, so you can follow if you wish. If you wish, you don't follow. So you just have to like it. After liking it like this, then you screenshot it. Okay, make sure you screenshot it. Let me take out this button and screenshot mine. All right, so I've done that. So the next thing is to come back to this particular platform. Just slide your button back. Let me come back. Alright, so after that, come back, scroll up a bit, then click on this one that says submit task. Click on submit task. Then you have to put the screenshot, that screenshot that you screenshot, just tap on this particular place and paste the screenshot. Alright, so I'll click on upload screenshots. Then I'll choose the image, right? Let's wait for it to come up. I'll choose the image, then I'll click on done. Choose the image, click on done as well. It's uploading. Alright, file has already been uploaded. So the next thing is to click on submit task. And you guys can see success. So it's now under review. So if you click on under review, you see it's under review right now. So this is how you perform the task every day, perform 5 tasks every day and end point. So according to speculation, the minimum withdrawal threshold right here, some people have the opinion that it is $100, while some is that it is $200. But since it is a free platform, let's just tap on it, follow them up, and see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. So do well to perform the task as you join immediately. And this is how to verify your KYC. Immediately you join, come to this particular place that says my wallet. Alright, tap on it, tap on my wallet. You guys can see the task that I perform, it has not yet been verified, so it is still under review. That is why it's not reflecting right here. So if you click on my wallet, click on withdraw right here, then this is where they say withdrawal password. You should set your withdrawal password first of all. Alright, you set the withdrawal password, you enter the amount, you enter the USDT. After that, you confirm. Then they will ask you to put in your verification, your verification ID. So you put the verification ID number, then you snap the front and back and paste. You guys should not worry, when it's reached the time that we can be able to place withdrawal, I'll still get you guys posted as well. But for now, just get started immediately and start participating in this project. So you can bring in people by simply tapping on my team, then you get your referral link. Alright, so you bring in people to this particular project, and that's how it is. So click on share right here, then you can see your own link, share it to your family and friends. So let's just explore this project and see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. Alright, so that is just that. I'll be bringing you guys any latest updates concerning the project, so get started immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time, make your Sunday a beautiful one, and bye for now.